Hey guys, welcome to a Cricut craft tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to make these. They are milestone banners. They're really easy to make. You can probably knock these out in, 15 minutes. So let's get over to Design Space and I'll show you how to make them. So in order to start our milestone banner, first thing that we need to do is a shape. I'm just going to use a square, but I don't want it to be a full square. So I'm going to unlock it and turn it into a rectangle. And I want to do probably, let's see, if we're going to do let's say we'll do a 4x6 photo on it. So you want to make sure that it's at least 4 inches long and 6 inches. Let's make it about 6 and 6. That way, depending on which direction your photo goes, it'll fit. So we're just assuming a 4x6 photo. Next thing that we want to do is open a text box. So I'm going to make mine for a baby. So we're going to do 1 month. Now you can see right now it doesn't look like anything special because it's not. First we're going to go ahead and select a font. Now for this I want it to be easy to read, pretty simple. I did it all in caps because you don't want any of like the little dots in the eyes or anything like that. I think this one works. You can do any font you want. Just make sure that it's easy to read. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and ungroup my lines by clicking Advanced and Ungroup Lines. Second thing, we're going to go ahead and move month to the top. And we're going to go ahead and spread it out. And I'm just going to kind of line it up with the top of my box. And you guys can make this as big as you want or as little as you want. It can take up as much space as you want. Now, because I'm going to do this for several months, I'm going to weld mine first. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Control and select the box and select the word and click Weld. What that's going to do is make it all one piece. Now what I'm going to do is take this, remember what font I used, and I'm going to go ahead and type the rest of my months in. So we got a 2 month, 3, 4. I'm just going to do a couple for you guys so you can kind of see. We'll just do 2, 3, and 4. So all we're going to do is duplicate this 3 more times. So click Duplicate, Duplicate, Duplicate. We're going to go ahead and move these off to the side because we don't need them right now. So we're going to do the same thing with 1 like we did with month. I'm going to click the unlock so that I can spread it out and do what I need to with it and make it as big as I want. Now for this one, I think I kind of just want it centered on the O and the E. So we're going to make it a little bit smaller. And I think that looks pretty good. So what we're going to do again is select our month block. I'm going to call that. I actually think I'm going to move that over just a hair because that end should be centered. Okay, there we go. And we're going to click the 1 by holding Control. And all you're going to do again is click Weld. And there you go. And you're going to do that for each month. So let's go ahead and get 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to go ahead and do Advanced, Ungroup Lines, select 2, and we're just going to go ahead and make that big. I'm going to go ahead and lock that. I like to be able to stretch it out a little bit, do whatever I want to it so that it looks cute. And again, just sort of center it. I think I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, move it over a little bit. I think I want to just stretch it, maybe unstretch it a little. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. So again, select 2, select the card part, and weld it. And now you have 2 months. Now you guys can put month, months, whatever you want. It just depends. Or you can always edit it and add the S later. I'm just going to cut these 2 out for you guys so you can see. I don't think you really need to see all of them. But this gives you an idea of what they're going to look like. Now you can do them on 2 different colors of cardstock. You can do them on however you want. Glitter, doesn't matter. I'm going to do mine the same color just to save some space. We're going to go ahead and click Make It. And we're going to get ready to cut these out. I hope you guys learned how to make these, had a great time learning it. Like I said, this is a super simple, easy, quick banner that you can make for all sorts of occasions. If you have any questions, leave them below. If you're looking for a tutorial, please let me know in the comments. I make these tutorials because you guys request them. make sure you do subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos all the time. And click the bell icon because that will let you know when I post a new video. I hope you guys have a great day.